Welcome wherever you are. This is Alfred, Car Detailing Services Kenya. We earlier gave you an update of this particular car that we were doing today. We had removed the seats and now we are done with our today's work. If you can compare our previous video to the current video, you will have to see that there's a big difference, that we have transformed this car. It was very dirty, but at the moment we've done the best that we could to make sure that we've given it a good bath. As Car Detailing Services Kenya, we always deliver the best matters car interiors cleaning services. Out there, you have your car wondering how or where to get professionals matters interiors cleaning services. Kindly you can get in touch with us at Oberate Cleaning Services, Car Detailing Kenya. This car was very dirty, its interiors were messy, but at the moment you can testify with us. If you saw the other video and this one, you can clearly see a very big difference that we have done. So in need of interior cleaning services, you can kindly get in touch with us at Car Detailing Services Kenya. That's our Facebook page. Also, you can get us on our website, that is www.oberatecleaning.co.ke. Other services that we do provide apart from car interiors cleaning services include sofa cleaning services, carpet cleaning services, post-construction cleaning services, fumigation and pest control, among other services. In need of any of the listed services, or you can press an inquiry regarding the same, can reach us at Oberate Cleaning Services. Thank you for your time. Thank you wherever you are. Thank you for watching our video. Be blessed wherever you are.